Kylie. I work in specialized programs and with families to help them help their special family member reach their best potential and live with as much independence as they can in their homes and communities.
Hi, I'm Brielle, and I'm a mom just trying to do my best with my own special kids. And this is Jacob. Jacob is my 15-year-old special boy.
Hi, my name is Kira, and I'm Jacob's younger sister.
Hi, my name is Brielle, and I'm Jacob's younger brother.
And I'm Greg, Jacob's dad.
When I first realized that Jacob was going to have difficulties learning and developing throughout his life, I found it very overwhelming and I didn't know what to do. I found accessing information really difficult, and specialized professionals were often overscheduled and very expensive to access. So my friend Kylie and I decided to start a series of videos to help people just like us to help their special people be the best that they possibly can and function the best that they possibly can.
Our goal is to offer ideas, shed some light on what exceptional kids might need and why they may be feeling what they feel, and just to help encourage you. We are not professionals, we are simply here to share our ideas, thoughts, and what we've experienced. If you are in need of professional help or therapies, please speak to your family doctor.
In today's video, we're going to look at how to get your kid to try new foods. In our last video, we showed how Jacob sensory avoids. Jacob also sensory avoids a lot with food, and it has been a huge stressor in our home. Feeding has been one of the biggest challenges that I think that Jacob has overcome and that our family has had to deal with. Eating is not only about proper nutrition, but it also gains oral muscle development for their communication and their speech and their safety in eating, but also it's a really important social interaction time. Sitting at the table, have the attention span to sit at the table, and enjoying being at the table with your family member is very, very important. It's important for the family, and it's really important for the child as well. When you have a child that's consistently refusing foods to eat, it is very, very frustrating. I've been there and I have spent many moments in frustration and in tears over this. In this video, we're going to show a few ways that we've helped Jacob overcome some of this and having his acceptance to new foods and textures increase.
It's normal for kids to refuse certain types of foods. They don't have to like everything, and they won't, and that is okay. Jacob was stuck on eating only crackers for many years, and we supplemented his diet with liquid meal replacements. It was okay, but certainly not ideal for his nutrition, oral motor development, and social family time together. It took us years to get him to explore new tastes and textures, all while building on his love of crackers. In this video, you will get to see some ideas on how you can expand what your child eats. Some kids are fussy eaters, and that is okay. But if you feel that your child is more than fussy, please speak to your doctor. Jacob, I have some tomato vegetable soup. Do you want some? No. Do you want some banana? No. Good job. Okay, I have some cracker and some banana. Good job! Wow! Good job, Jacob. Try some more. And cracker and banana. Banana and cracker with grilled cheese. Grilled cheese. Yes. I have macaroni. want some cracker?
How old should I put it in here? Come on.
So what did we do to help encourage Jacob to try these new foods? First of all, we made sure that it was safe for him to try new foods. Kids like Jacob can often have low muscle tone in their mouths, and it can make chewing and swallowing more dangerous. It makes them a little bit more prone to choking and aspirations. So the very first thing that we did was work with a speech and language pathologist to make sure that it was safe for him to be able to eat. Once we determined that it was safe, it was only then that we started to increase the level of texture or different flavors into his diet for him to enjoy. We let him play with the food in his hands. They say the first step to be able to eat is to be able to hold it in your hands, and he played with the food that way. It makes a mess and it's not fun when you're the parent watching it, but it's a really important step. They are not likely to try it in their mouths unless they're willing to touch it with their hands. We did not force anything on him, but instead we just let him play and explore. We could talk about feeding all day. It has been such a big thing in our lives, but we don't have enough time in this video, so I'm just going to share a few more tips and tricks that have helped us throughout the year. First of all, remember, not every kid is going to like everything, and that is okay. And they're also not likely to want to try it on their first time that they see it. It often takes kids 10 to 20 times of being around a new food before they're willing to accept it and like it. So be patient. Second, do not force your child to try new food. It's only going to make things worse in the end. You can continue to offer the food, but do not force them to try it. Don't shove it in their mouths. Don't make it a battle. Also, when your child refuses a food, don't give any reaction. Just stay neutral, don't make a big deal out of it, don't give a negative reaction. When they are willing to try that food, then you can reward them with a lot of positive praise. But please don't give the negative reaction when they're going to refuse it. You can just stay neutral and just ignore the behavior. You're going to make a lot farther grounds in that kind of thing than making a big deal out of it. So please remember that not every kid is going to like everything, and that's okay. That's how it is, and we're all meant to be different. One of my favorite lines was from my typical child who was about 5 at the time, and we were eating dinner and he looked at me and he just said, "Mom, can you try to please never make this again?" And I thought, point taken, you know, not everybody has to enjoy it, and that is okay. But you know what? Sometimes everybody really loves something so much. Take a look at this next clip and you'll see how much Jacob loves something.
I have one more.
Coke.
Then it's all gone. Thanks for watching. That's all we have for today. We really hope we've helped you try some new strategies that work for us. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with our most recent videos. Remember, you're doing awesome. Keep up the good work. See you next time.